up, NB? So I am on another game. T-E. So, I'm here with Tiffany, and she can't play right now because Papa is charging. Bad for her. And I'm playing this new game that came out yesterday. Literally yesterday on Roblox. No, it was actually yesterday. It came out yesterday on Roblox, and I'm like, okay, let me try to see what this is like, and let me see if I can like play it or anything. And so I'm playing it right now. I already finished some of the missions, and it's like super fun. I'm about to show you all the moves I can do. Like, this is like super cool. After you see this, you will literally want to play this after you see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so if you can do that. Oh, and sorry for last time. It was a little screen. I put it on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Now let's get back into this. Okay, so now I'm playing this nice game, which I already showed you. And as you can see, I'm doing all these flip moves and all that kind of good stuff, and doing all that. People don't know that I'm recording, which is kind of good. So everybody will be like popping up like, "Hey, Nala, who are you? Hi." So I'm like, "Whoa, stop." So let's get right into this. So let me look at my book. I can teleport everywhere. All that good stuff. So I actually need to teleport there, the place that I was just now at, but I already did a mission here. It was like so powerful and everything like that. Like, this game is like freaking like a bomb. That's why I like love playing this game. So my sister gonna be joining me in a minute. So cause her tab is charging, like I already told you. So let me go ahead and teleport to the magical place, and there it'll be super fun. I'm about to press yes. I want to teleport there. So yeah, Tiffany, you wanna come and talk? Tiffany's kind of mad because her thing went out, and like, okay, so mad, but that's okay because when it gets charged, she's gonna be able to join. So let's go. Jump back here. So yeah, pretty fun. As you can see, this is a fun game. I need to find an egg here, but I just need to do some missions. I like just like playing around, but I actually need to do some missions. So probably just hurry up and go. So I already talked to Mad Hatter. That's his name. Welcome, young traveler. What can I help you with? I'm looking for eggs. Eggs? I've heard a lot about eggs. Scrambled, fried, poached. But if you're looking to collect eggs, we've got plenty to go around. Talk to the locals. They should be able to point you in the right direction. So, I'm about to go to the locals. I'm about to just do some missions, so then I can collect some eggs. So, yeah. I was invited to a party, and dang, wait, see? So I'm about to go ahead. Sorry, the music's probably a lot loud, but yeah, I got this full screen now for the YouTube thing, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video a lot. And I'm not so tired anymore. I woke up just a couple of minutes ago, not a couple of minutes ago, a couple of hours ago. So I'm making this video pretty early. So here's the teapot lady. She told, ooh, I have found an egg. I literally just now found an egg. So I collected one egg. Pretty good, pretty good. So, and after I collect, at least I collect like 2 or 3 eggs, I can go wherever I want. Then I can try to find more eggs, and I just gotta keep on looking for eggs. So, so I get to do this. got that. So I'm about to keep on looking and keep on looking. I was invited to a party, like I said. Maddie Hatter. Hey there, have you met Gert Guy? Yes, he's a giant pig, but he's the friendliest pig you ever met. Unless he eats you, like the poor guy earlier today. He's very sensitive though, so don't drink anything by that makes him sneeze. So I'm supposed to use pepper on him. It's already been 5 minutes. I need to find pepper. Oh, I think I know where I can find pepper. So I think I found some pepper. Now I'm about to go try to use it on this pig. Whoa, pretty cool. Whoa, that was scary. Thanks for getting me out of that pig's stomach. So I just got this man out. So that was pretty cool. I gotta say that was pretty cool. So yeah, let me talk to this flower. Ooh, cost coin. I don't have a coin. Rumor has it that the well over there is magical. If you throw coins into it, your wishes will come true. If only I had hands to pick up coins. So she's trying to basically ask me, but where am I going to find coins? I don't know if this is a coin, but I'm just gonna assume it is. Okay, so this is not a coin. So I can just drop that. So I already did that mission. I already got 1 egg. Sorry guys, this video might be a lot longer than I thought. Whew. So we're about to see what this is. Let's talk to him. Beware enchanted maze up ahead. Intruders, keep out. Okay. Well, I guess I'm just gonna keep out. Hey Mackenzie, 1, 2, 3, 5. Hiya! Anyone smell enough to get around the door is more than welcome. Just don't try anything if you're too big. Still didn't work. I was gonna try to roll in there. Nice house level. Hi. Okay. That was weird. Whoa, maybe smaller. So guess what that means, you guys? I can go in that place. Okay, let's see. But I'm very small now. About to try going in that small place again. Let's try this again. Wow. Guys. This place is awesome. The smallest place I've ever seen. Ever. Help! They won't let me out. Hello there, tiny human. Bye guys, gotta end the video right here.